Good day to all supermomshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos updates. Supermomshies, today we're going to create a blue-yellow flower decoration out of plastic bottles. So if you are ready, we're going to start now. Supermomshies, these are the main materials, of course. Again, it's a plastic bottle and the acrylic colors, the cutter, the scissor, the non-woven cloth instead of tissue or paper, and the plastic bag, and the glue gun. This is the main part that we need. All we need to do is to cut it. So it will be look like this. Now we're going to paint with acrylic color. So we will start on the yellow part. So we'll make it a thin layer, then we're going to do the second coating. Okay, then after that we're going to let it dry. So this part also we're going to, while waiting the first part to make it dry. So it will be look like this. But we're going to let it dry as well, so we can start the other one to paint the blue. We're going to let it dry completely so we can assemble later on. So this part we're going also to paint. To paint it all around. So it will be like this. So we'll make it completely dry. Now already completely dry, we're going to cut it like this. It will look like this. Then we're going to fold it. But before we will finalize, we're going to remove this one first, and we will make a hole on the center. So we're going to put the bendable wire, which is already wrapped with this non-woven cloth. Attach like that with the glue gun. Okay, Super Momshies, this is now the final touch of this project. So before we will end up this video, I would like to give a mega love shout out to all subscribers and non-subscribers and to the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe now, and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, babushi.